visiting Lake Mackenzie, of course one of the many perched lakes, a central station taking in the rainforest experience, and the uniqueness, the characteristics and the diversity of the island is probably the thing that's most stunning about it.
Wonderful bloody travel.
And you meet so many beautiful people.
We just love the life on the road. It's fantastic. The people you meet, the happy hours. We're having pizza night tonight. It's going to be really good.
Basically, we've been making rum here on our site for about 130 odd years.
The Boyne Tandem Hookup is Australia's largest family fishing competition.
It's been fantastic. The kids have loved the pool and the playground. A lovely park, nice and quiet. The reception staff were beautiful and very friendly.
The Woodline restaurant is located at Hervey Bay on the beautiful Capricorn coast in Yeppoon.
The Glass Bottom Boat Tour, which we were lucky enough to see turtles and some of the beautiful coral that we have offer here at Great Keppel Island. And we've then gone around the back of the island, enjoyed this fantastic weather and had an absolutely fantastic snorkel.
This is our first time at a Discovery Parks and I've just been so impressed with all the amenities here. So great with the kids, so much for them to do. There's the water park, there's the slides, there's the pool.
The quiet beaches, not so crowded like in Europe. The varieties you have, beach, but national parks, everything.
We love showing everyone around our beautiful Airlie Beach. We're a couple of locals. We've got 14 tuk-tuks. You want to know the secrets of Airlie Beach? You've got to jump aboard a tuk-tuk.
We offer quite a few different scenic flights. We have both fixed wing and also helicopter tours. Both of these flights fly over all of the Whitsunday Islands, also out to the Great Barrier Reef.
Whitehaven Beach stretches along 7 kilometres of beautiful white silica sand. If you're in the Whitsundays area, come and say g'day.
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 Come and say g'day.
So if you see us, come and say
Good day.